in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install ChatGPT on Windows. You can do that on your Mac operating system as well as Linux. So to start with, you come to the search bar over here at the bottom here while you're on the desktop, and then you can go ahead and search for Microsoft Store, just like so, and hit on enter. You'll be able to be brought in over here. All right, so once you're here, you can come to the top right over here, click on this search icon, and you can go ahead and search for ChatGPT. You can see it just like that. And you can be able to see it over here, the first option. Here, it's been installed, or if it is not installed in your own case, you can just click on Get to get it installed. And once you install, you can just go ahead and click on Open to kickstart it. You can just log in with any of your account, username and password, and you can start writing to ask your question. So this is very easy and very direct. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.